and welcome back. This is Candi here with BIEOS at BIEOSsecurity.com and BIEOSsafety.com. Make sure that you check us out. Have you ever thought about what it would be like if you were a victim of a crime? How to protect yourself? What you would do if you're in your garden working out and somebody just suddenly approaches you for a robbery, or if you were at home? Check this out.
Good thing I don't keep my money in my wallet. Diversion safe.